Okay, next one is wiring roping. This is sort of sketchbook paper, so it's a little thicker. When you use the newsprint or the pages from the book, this will actually be easier because the thinner the paper is, the easier it is to sort of roll into a rope or a wire, as we call it. But you just basically want to sort of, not real measured like, but just sort of crumple this and then sort of twist it in your hands like this. Be careful not to twist back and forth, because then you're tightening it and then untightening it and tightening it and untightening it. You just want to twist in one direction. So as I get to the back of my palm here, I'm going to pick this up and move it to the front and keep twisting. This will be a fairly thick rope or wire because I had a decent amount of paper. If you want a thinner one, you could use less paper to begin with, but it sort of gives you this sort of twisted rope look, something like that. This could be used for hair, vines, a number of things. So then you've got your wiring and roping. Bend it. A student of mine made a skeleton, and they made each bone like of the rib cage with this technique. So it really ended up looking like a real skeleton. It was really cool. There's wiring and roping.